My retirement account charges 1% a year. 1%. That's nothing.
$64,000.
What?
That's what your nothing costs. And it isn't my number. It's the Department of Labor's own example, published so workers would understand their statements.
Show me how they get there.
Take $25,000, 35 years until retirement, 7% average return, and no further contributions at all. With fees of 0.5%, you retire with $227,000.
And with 1% more?
$163,000. Same money, same market, same 35 years. 1 extra percent removed, 28% of the outcome.
That math has to be broken. 1% can't become 28.
It isn't broken, it's compounding. You know compounding as the thing that makes you rich slowly. It also makes fees expensive slowly.
Explain that part.
Every dollar taken as a fee this year is a dollar that never earns anything next year. Then the earnings it would have made never earn either. You don't lose 1%, you lose 1% and everything it would have become.
So the fee compounds against me at the same rate my money compounds for me.
Precisely. Which is why the damage looks small on a statement and enormous at the finish line.
Fine. Where is this 1% hiding? I've never seen a line that says fee.
You won't. It's never a charge. It's a slightly lower return. The money is taken out before the number you see is calculated.
That's why nobody notices.
Nobody notices, nobody complains, nobody moves their money. The entire industry is built on that silence.
Then how do I find the number?
It has a name, the expense ratio. Every fund publishes it. In a retirement plan, it's on the annual fee disclosure your employer must send you, the document everyone throws away.
What number am I hoping to see?
A broad index fund today costs about 0.03%, 0.03,
And the fund charging me 1%?
is charging you roughly 30 times more.
For 30 times the performance, presumably.
That's the sales pitch. The scoreboard says otherwise. Over 15 years, the large majority of actively managed U.S. funds fail to beat the plain index they're measured against.
The majority lose, not a few?
The large majority. It's measured every year and published. The expensive fund usually delivers the same market, minus its fee.
Then who is the 1% actually paying for?
Research teams, marketing, the advisor who sold it, the plan administrator, all real people doing real work. Just not work that reliably ends up in your balance.
Is there ever a reason to pay more?
Sometimes. A genuine advisor who stops you selling everything in a crash can be worth their fee many times over. Behavior is worth paying for. Stock picking usually isn't.
All right, what do I actually do on Monday?
3 things. First, find your expense ratio. It's one search away, and most people have never seen theirs.
Second,
Inside your plan, compare it to the cheapest broad fund on the same menu. Usually the identical market sits there for a fraction of the price.
and third,
Old accounts from old jobs. That is where forgotten money quietly pays high fees for decades. Nobody is watching them, including you.
one number buried in a document I throw away, worth $64,000.
And it takes 10 minutes to look up. That's the best hourly rate you will ever earn.
Go check yours, then tell me in the comments what it says. I want to see the worst one.